How's everyone doing? Came down here for a few days to Roscommon. Said it down the other day on a video that I was coming down to Athlone, but it's actually Roscommon. Gallybay. It's a lovely little campsite. Just so you know. There's the sun setting. Some lovely evening out there. It's not that big of a place, but it's a nice place. Nice place for relaxing with the kids and the wife. And just wait till you see this for a view now in a minute. So this is Loch Ree. A couple of lads getting ready to do fishing. Right job. There's like a castle, Gallybay. So we were in Athlone, like Gallybay Pet Farm yesterday as well. It's a nice day out in Strand Hill today for the day out with the kids. Lovely swans up there. All their babies. So this is the other side of the lake. There's the boat. Loch Ree Lake. But it's a nice place to come camping. You kind of need the weather though. And fishing if you're into that. You really want to be going out in the boat though. I was fishing with my lads here the other day, and there's them lovely swans again. I was fishing with my lads here the other day, just right there along them weeds, where that stone is, just right there, and up the back end up there as well. Didn't get nothing though. I didn't stay for too long, to be honest with you. I thought the water was very low, but see the fish are out rising out a good bit around the middle of it, or just a fair bit out anyway. Got one or two perch. Matthew caught a little small perch on a Lego rod that he made. Just a bit of fun for him, and I caught a little small tiny perch. I'll try and put them in the videos. But yeah, just lovely scenery. My wife's taking a little bit of a walk. But yeah, it's worth checking out if you want to go camping. It's worth checking out if you want to go camping, and you know, you'll find them on Google Maps anyway. On the Roscommon Road heading for Belfast, or heading for Athlone. But yeah, Mary and Pat are the people that run it. We've been coming here the last few years now, and it's actually, it's just a lovely, calm place. It doesn't be overly busy to stop so many people coming in as well. It doesn't be overpacked like some places. But yeah, I'll talk soon. I just thought I'd throw that up just as a, you know, family. It's nice to spend a lot of time with family as well. And you know, if we get fishing, we get fishing. If we don't, we don't. Didn't really do a video on that anyway. But obviously not like. But yeah, until we get back to Cavan and we do another video of fishing on the bank, I'll talk to you then. And I'll talk soon. Yeah.
Go on.
Go on, feed him. Hold your hands out flat. Watch the big long leg of him, watch.
Matty. 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 Matty.